What's the meaning of crazy paving? Crazy paving. Crazy paving.
Crazy paving. Crazy paving. Crazy paving is a type of paving pattern that consists of irregularly shaped stones or bricks arranged in a chaotic manner. The pattern resembles a jigsaw puzzle, with no two pieces fitting perfectly together. This style of paving is often used in garden paths or patios to create a rustic, informal look. The name crazy paving comes from the unpredictable and disorderly appearance of the pattern. The stones or bricks used in crazy paving can vary in size, shape, color, and texture, making it a unique and personalized design choice for homeowners.